Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is AMRC and I'm Alex. Today I'll be flying the E-flite T-28 Trojan 1.1 meter with a 4S 2200 milliamp battery. So let's not waste too much time. Let's get in the air. Okay, I have a car coming, so let's go. False alarm with the car, but I got it going. Man, I love this plane so much. You've seen my previous videos on this. I don't know what I'm talking about. And yes, it's nice on 3S, but 4S it can do so much more, so much better. Let me go fly it a bit on this side. I tend to fly my bigger planes higher. Really wish they did a UMX version of this one again. It'd be so much easier for me to fly a smaller one. Have a lot more spaces to fly it. Yeah, now they have the new version of the 2-meter carbon Z1 out. Has the same paint scheme as this one. I must say I really like it. It was one of my favorite colors, if not the favorite, so it really helps with visibility. Now, I don't think I'll be getting one of those anytime soon, if ever. Just because they're so big, storing it, transporting it would be a bit of a problem for me. And yeah, it's not expensive. It costs more than 3 times this costs. And it's not even twice as big. It's just a joke, but yeah, that one has retract, of course. Flaps, lights, I think it has lights. Don't quote me on that, but from what I remember it does. This is a great value plane. Honestly, with the receiver, if you would buy the receiver separately, it'd be, I don't know, $70–$80 for a Spectrum with Safe and S3X. So when you get the plane for $200 with the receiver included, basically the PMP would be around $120. That's not good value. I don't know what is. It's just simple. Gotta watch those power lines. No retracts or anything fancy to worry about. Some lights would have been nice. I don't think they would have been that hard to get on there. I've been thinking of turning this into a night plane as well. See the wind pushing it a bit there. That's no power. The only thing is, I don't know, with the painted foam how the lights would shine through, but they're really like lights facing on the outside. I might give it a try sometimes. Such a great plane to toss around. No flaps to worry about either. I have no idea how long I've been flying this. 4 minutes. And I do know this battery can go a lot longer. Strap pass under the power lines. And so if full throttle. If Verizon doesn't come up with a UMX version soon, I might be tempted to get one of those E-sheen ones. They're about $100 or less. And you can find them under a lot of other brands, like Lantex or Rage RC or God knows who. Probably anyone who wants to can put their name on that. They have a whole range of these microplanes. The only thing that bothers me is when they come as ready to fly. They have those toy-like transmitters. You know, you can get the multi-protocol radios that would work with them. Probably if I do get one of those in the future. And yeah, maybe it would make sense to get one. Okay, car coming through, then I'll try to bring it in for landing. Take it out far. Make sure no other cars come up. There's one. Okay, landing aborted. Got a bit of a gust. Nothing too bad. This can definitely handle it. Okay, no cars coming. That was bouncy. I don't like it. Should have tried some touch and goes before. Really want to get my landings with these smooth. And van's coming back. Okay, I was just gliding, guys, into the wind. Okay, had a bit of a crosswind there, and I don't think I can turn it around, but yeah, at least I got it off the road. Even a bit hot. Yeah, I'll have to take this out a bit more from now on. Practice makes perfect. Okay, I have a bit of a scuff on the wing here. But other than that, it's fine. It's a tough little plane. Can take some abuse in hard landings. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave some great comments. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.